Guys,
This is Daddy.
that's Bella.
And what are we going to do today, Daddy?
We're gonna make tofu today.
Yay!
So come a little closer. This is the tofu. That's what it looks like on the outside. Okay, so you're gonna chop up half of a chicken. Chop it up. And then there you have 1 teaspoon of salt. Once you open up the package of tofu, you'll have like 4 layers inside tofu package. You're gonna cut up 2 times per layer. This is lemongrass. So by now we have our water boiled already. So okay, so now you wanna boil the chicken.
Now just stop.
Now lemongrass and salt. Pour it around. Yeah, like that. Here, do this one. Here. Around. Alright, good job.
I'm not scared.
Okay, we're gonna wait
It looks like
until
sugar.
the chicken's cooked.
It looks
And
like
then we'll add the tofu.
That looks like chicken.
Okay, so all this extra stuff on the top layer, you wanna take it off. That came from the chicken. You wanna take it off. That's gonna turn your stuff yellow, and you don't want this stuff. So take it off and just pour it in the sink. Okay, so right now the chicken's cooked. It's good. So you want to pour in the tofu. So you want to spread it around the pot.
Daddy, why you put it close?
Put it close so the water don't splash on your hand, because the water is hot.
Daddy, if you go really close, then your hand will burn.
You have to do it carefully. Okay, so now you wait about 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
For the tofu to be cooked. Okay, so now it's been between 5 to 10 minutes. Should be good now. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it out to a bowl. Oh yeah. Alright, so here it is. That's how you make tofu. Alright, so remember to subscribe to our channel for more YouTube videos. Bye bye.